Welcome back to the channel. If you just picked up the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, you're probably looking for the best way to keep it safe from drops, bumps, and everyday accidents. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best shockproof cases for the Z Flip 7 in 2025, tested for durability, hinge protection, and drop resistance, without sacrificing style or function. Whether you need rugged military-grade protection or a slim but tough everyday case, this list has something for everyone. So let's get right into it. On number 1, Temdan case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 in red is a thoughtfully engineered protective solution for users who prioritize style without compromising durability and everyday practicality. Designed specifically for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, this case integrates a built-in front screen protector, hinge protection, and a foldable kickstand into a slim, ultra-thin profile made from hard PC materials. Its main purpose is to provide comprehensive, rugged protection from drops, scratches, and hinge damage while maintaining wireless charging compatibility and preserving the phone's sleek aesthetic. In real-world usage, the case impresses with its snug fit and responsive touch sensitivity on the front protector, ensuring that screen responsiveness remains intact. The hinge guard mechanism is particularly notable. It offers solid protection during both open and closed states, without interfering with the fold mechanism. The kickstand, though compact, is sturdy and functional for media viewing, making it great for users who consume content hands-free. Compared to other cases in the same segment, like the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro MagFit, Temdan offers better hinge protection and a built-in screen protector at a lower price point, although it lacks Spigen's magnetic ring support for MagSafe accessories. The build quality of the Temdan case feels reassuringly premium, with tactile button covers and precise cutouts that don't obstruct speakers or charging ports. Its bold red color gives it a striking look, catering to users who prefer a standout appearance. Installation is simple thanks to its two-piece design, and the overall grip is enhanced by the matte finish. While the lack of MagSafe support and somewhat limited kickstand angles may be drawbacks, the case still delivers excellent protection and value, especially for users who regularly fold and unfold their phone throughout the day. Ideal for daily commuters, travelers, and content watchers, this case is a solid investment. I would recommend the Temdan Z Flip 7 case to anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and all-in-one protective accessory that performs well without a high price tag. Pros: built-in front screen protector and hinge protection for full body coverage. Slim design with integrated kickstand for media viewing. Great value for the features offered compared to premium brands. Cons: no MagSafe or magnetic ring support. Kickstand offers limited angles. Red color may not appeal to users wanting more neutral tones. On number 2 is i-Blason case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is a thoughtfully engineered, all-in-one solution for users who value both protection and functionality without compromising on the device's sleek design. It features a built-in stand, tempered glass screen protector, hinge protection, and even supports wireless charging, all while maintaining a relatively slim profile. The standout element here is its clear matte finish, which allows the beauty of the Z Flip 7 to show through while resisting fingerprints and smudges. Its magnetic ring on the back makes it compatible with MagSafe-style accessories, which is still rare among Z Flip 7 cases. The hinge protection is solid, covering the vulnerable folding mechanism without obstructing the phone's operation or its ability to fold flat. The kickstand, integrated into the backplate, provides decent stability for watching videos or video calling, although it is fixed at one angle. The tempered glass front protector offers robust scratch resistance and surprisingly good touch response. In real-life use, the case feels premium and fits snugly with no wobble or rattle. Compared to competitors like the Temdan or Spigen Ultra Hybrid Pro, i-Blason stands out by offering magnetic support and wireless charging compatibility in one package, a rare combination for foldable cases with hinge coverage. While it's slightly bulkier than ultra-thin clear cases, the added protection and features make that trade-off worthwhile for most users. It's perfect for those who want to maintain the Z Flip 7 stylish look while adding practical protection for both drops and everyday use. This case is especially suited for users who use magnetic car mounts, wireless chargers, or like propping their phone up often. It offers excellent value for its price point and is a strong recommendation for everyday users, commuters, and tech-savvy professionals. Pros: magnetic compatible and supports wireless charging. Includes hinge protection and tempered glass screen protector. Built-in kickstand for hands-free use. Cons. Slightly bulkier than ultra-slim cases. Kickstand has only one viewing angle. Clear back may still show minor smudges over time. On number 3 is Hensinple case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is a well-rounded clear protective solution designed for users who want to show off the sleek design of their foldable phone while still maintaining high levels of durability and functionality. Made with a transparent hardback and a slim, form-fitting structure, this case includes a built-in screen protector, MagSafe-compatible magnetic ring, and rugged edge protection, all in a clear finish that maintains the device's original look. The standout feature is its MagSafe compatibility, which makes it easy to snap the phone onto magnetic mounts, chargers, and accessories, a feature still rare in Z Flip 7 cases. The case also includes robust shockproof bumpers that absorb impact from daily drops, and its hinge area is slightly reinforced without adding bulk or interfering with the fold mechanism. The screen protector, while thin, offers good responsiveness and helps defend against scratches and fingerprints without affecting clarity. In day-to-day usage, the case feels solid and grippy without being slippery or too thick. Compared to other clear cases like the Vihibi i or Ring Fusion, the Hensinple stands out for combining MagSafe support with a built-in screen protector and a slightly more rugged design, offering a rare mix of style and protection. It does slightly increase the thickness of the device, especially around the magnetic ring, and doesn't include a kickstand or hinge protector flap, which some users may miss. Still, for users who prioritize magnetic charging compatibility, screen safety, and shockproof durability, this case offers exceptional value. It's a great choice for commuters, casual users, or anyone who wants a dependable clear case without giving up MagSafe or wireless charging. Overall, it's a highly practical and visually appealing accessory that provides more than just good looks. Pros. MagSafe compatible for magnetic mounts and chargers. Built-in screen protector included. Slim, transparent, and shockproof design. Cons. No kickstand or hinge flap for added versatility. Slightly thicker around magnetic ring. May attract smudges or light scratches over time. On number 4 is FNTCASE magnetic case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is a rugged, well-built protective solution designed for users who demand durability, practicality, and magnetic compatibility in one package. Built with military-grade drop protection, this case features a translucent matte textured back that not only looks premium but also resists fingerprints and scratches. Its shockproof bumper design is reinforced at the corners, providing superior impact absorption for accidental drops and bumps. One of the standout features of this case is its MagSafe-style magnetic ring, which allows easy compatibility with magnetic mounts, chargers, and accessories, a rare and welcome addition in rugged Z Flip 7 cases. Unlike many bulkier rugged cases, the FNTCASE maintains a relatively slim profile and doesn't interfere with the folding mechanism or wireless charging. The hinge area is well exposed but reinforced with a slightly raised edge to help avoid damage during folding or impact. In real-world use, the case fits snugly and securely, providing a confident grip and easy access to all buttons, ports, and cameras thanks to precise cutouts. The matte texture feels great in the hand and helps avoid slipperiness common in glossy cases. When compared to other rugged options like the i-Blason Armorbox or Temdan, the FNTCASE stands out by offering a cleaner, more minimal design with magnetic compatibility and a less bulky form factor, though it lacks features like a built-in kickstand or screen protector. This case is best suited for users who value tough protection but also rely on magnetic accessories or mounts in their day-to-day routine. Whether you're commuting, biking, or just prone to occasional drops, this case offers solid peace of mind without turning your sleek Z Flip 7 into a brick. Overall, it's a durable, stylish, and practical option that bridges the gap between rugged performance and modern usability. Pros. Military-grade shockproof protection with rugged bumper design. Magnetic ring supports MagSafe accessories and mounts. Matte textured back resists smudges and adds grip. Cons. No built-in screen protector. Lacks kickstand or hinge flap. Slightly thicker than minimalist clear cases. On number 5 is Urban Armor Gear, UAG, Mouve case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 blends premium rugged protection with modern design sensibilities, making it a strong contender for users who demand durability without compromising on style. Designed with military-grade drop protection, the Mouve case features a transparent pashed color finish that subtly reveals the phone's design while providing a sleek, semi-matte aesthetic. One of its key highlights is MagSafe-compatible magnetic charging support, a feature still rare among rugged Z Flip 7 cases. This means users can effortlessly connect to magnetic chargers, mounts, and accessories, all while keeping the case on. Built from high-quality impact-resistant materials, the case features reinforced corners and a solid grip texture, offering excellent shock absorption and drop resistance without adding excessive bulk. Despite its rugged construction, the case is well balanced in hand and doesn't interfere with the phone's hinge mechanism or folding action. The button covers are tactile and responsive, and the precise cutouts ensure easy access to ports and cameras. Compared to other rugged cases like FNTCASE or i-Blason ArmorBox, the UAG Mouve stands out with its more polished look and premium brand credibility. It may lack extras like a kickstand or built-in screen protector, but it makes up for it with lightweight durability and magnetic convenience. In real-world use, the Mouve case proves dependable in daily carry, absorbing accidental drops and resisting scratches from keys or bags. It's ideal for users who want to maintain a minimalist profile while benefiting from military-grade protection and magnetic charging features. This case is especially suited for commuters, travelers, and tech enthusiasts who rely on MagSafe-type accessories and value premium build quality. Overall, the UAG Mouve is a refined, protective, and magnetic-ready case that delivers on both function and fashion. Pros: military-grade rugged protection in a stylish, lightweight design. Magnetic charging compatible, MagSafe style. Textured grip and clear ash finish offer premium aesthetics. Cons: no built-in screen protector. Lacks kickstand or hinge flap. Slightly premium price compared to similar alternatives.